well, as you can see, I am like soaking wet. So in today's wash day series number 2, this actually turned into a one brand wash and go accidentally. Today I will be using the Creme of Nature Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream on its own, no gel, just the cream. We'll see what happens. So my hair is freshly washed. I just got out of the shower, so this is why it turned into a one brand. I ended up using the Creme of Nature coconut milk shampoo and the coconut milk conditioner. The reason why I haven't been really filming for this series is because I stopped to do some research on my hair because my hair keeps changing, and I just wanted to bring you guys the best videos possible, but figure some things out, and I may share those in a separate video. So I used the Creme of Nature Hydrating Curl Detangler Leave-In Conditioner. I used a very minimum amount of this, and I used that in the shower, so it is currently on my hair. I wanted to use it while my hair was soaking wet so it can absorb that moisture. So what we're doing today is we're just styling. I'm going to dry, come back, and let y'all see what happens. I'm gonna give this side part thing another try. Like, me and these parts with this diva cut just are not the best of friends. So I'm gonna take this section. This is warm water. Re-wet my hair. Ooh, got in my face. Okay, this actually goes a long way, so I'm not gonna take a lot. I'm gonna take, hold on. Uh-oh. It's really thick, that's why. You don't need a lot. So I'm gonna take about this much for this whole section. So I'm just going to rub this through. And comb it through. See, my hair is like really already tangled and everything. So see that? Now I will take some and put it at my root and apply some that. So we're gonna just go through and shingle really. I'm gonna apply some, you know, at my base. Some more cream at my base, but I'm not putting any more on my actual hair. Y'all, seriously, my arms hurt. Okay. So that's most of that section done. And I'm going to take the last piece of the section, and before I add any product to my root, just gonna comb this through with my hand a bit, and I actually just squirted some out on this little piece of thing I got over here to just take a little like that. I have not used only a cream for a wash and go before, so this shall be interesting. Okay, so here is one section. I feel some movement. I can't see, but here's one section. So I'm going to finish 2 more and then I will be back. Okay, so I have finished this side and the back of my hair. So now I'm going to go in to my biggest section. Good and wet. Sorry for all my faces. No, nothing's getting there. Okay, so here's this side. Now. This better, this better. Up close and personal with the curls. Okay, so here is the finished product. It's very, very bouncy. So we're gonna see what happens when it dries. I may end up putting a bobby pin right here or right here just to separate apart. We'll see. So I'll be back once my hair is 100% dry. Alright y'all, so I am back. It has been about, it's been about 6 hours. My hair is 100% dry. And I did put like some bobby pins right through here to so you can actually like see the part, because my hair will tend to, you know, fall, but I wanted it to go that way. So put some bobby pins in it. I have not fluffed it because, in all honesty, I am loving this shrinkage. Like, it looks like I have a tapered cut. Like, so I'm not mad at it at all. Like, at all. My hair is super soft. If you can see the definition, super defined and just like springy. Like, y'all see that? Okay. So let me show y'all the back. Super soft. Now, one thing, it doesn't really move or anything, but that's okay, because as y'all know, I love second day hair. So I'm excited to see what it does tomorrow. I'm gonna put a little argan oil on my hair tonight when I put it up, and then I'll see what happens tomorrow. But yes, guys, I am not mad at this Creme of Nature curl activator cream at all. So yeah, so thanks for watching video number 2. If y'all have any suggestions for what products I should try next, hit me in the comments below so I can take a look and see what we got. All right, see y'all next time. Bye.